Want to install Claude AI on your computer so you can use it like a desktop app instead of only in the browser. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download and install Claude first. Open any web browser on your computer, like Google Chrome or another browser you normally use. Once the browser opens, click on the search bar and type Claude AI. Open the official Claude website. When the website loads, you may already be signed into your account automatically. If that happens, select Log Out. After logging out, refresh the page. In many cases, this allows the option for the desktop download to appear properly. Now you should see an option like Download Desktop App or Download for Windows. Click on it, and the installer file will begin downloading to your computer. If you're using Chrome, you'll usually see the download appear at the bottom of the browser window. You can also open your Downloads folder later if needed. Once the file finishes downloading, open it to start the installation process. A setup window for Claude will appear on your screen. Click Get Started. Then continue through the installation steps. After that, you'll be asked to sign in. You can log in using your Google account, email, or whichever method you normally use for Claude. Once you finish signing in, the Claude desktop app will open automatically, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.